She is relentless. She will go right back. You're being a good girl, Gracie. You're being a good big sister. Joy, you're a little brat. Joy's watching Kiki the Spider Monkey on TV. That's what's distracting her. But she karate kicks her all the time in the face.